Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutions such as banks or hedge funds will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. It leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to speed and transparency of information, and it often causes people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite algorithms and AI are able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both the trending up and down sides of the equation. So that way, people can more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending down side of the equation. I want you guys to see how both CHGG and HIMS pop up in the number 1 and 2 overall positions, the top of the main dashboard on the red trending down side of the equation. Today is August the 8th, with a 1,085% increase and a 566% increase in institutional bearish volume, red volume. So no wonder the stocks are both down nearly 20% as a result. Let's just take a look at CHGG to go through and show you a little bit further what we mean by this. You can see the massive drop it made at the beginning of the morning. The reason our AI is picking this up is because typically only about $12.69 million of the stock is traded behind closed doors by large market makers over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, nearly $140 million. So, with more than $100 million extra dollars of bearish pressure from the largest market makers and a fraction of the amount of time it would normally get it, no wonder it's making such a large directional move. Now, it's important to get access to that information early, which is why we use lightning fast machine learning technology to be able to identify through these private exchanges when trades and transactions are happening in real time. In the case of CHGG, you can see that that was identified at 8:08 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, more than an hour before the market opened, with 88 times the average amount of bearish pressure. In the case of HIMS, that was at 8:18, which was 10 minutes later. If you had done put options on Chegg, you can see a nice list of triple digit winners. For example, let's say that you had done the $11 put option. It had the most daily volume and open interest. We're just going to stick with the 15-minute chart because we know our AI picked it up in the pre-market. At its maximum, it is a 480% total return. However, the point is not to make every single last penny or percentage out of that return. The point is to get the information down here so you're not caught chasing it or hearing about it over here like people in the retail market are used to doing. There's plenty of profit to be made in between. For example, maybe you didn't even get into the trade until 15 minutes later, and maybe you hopped out over here. That's still what would be a triple digit return. Let's go ahead and take a look at HIMS as well. And you could see a nice list of triple digit winners there. For example, the $8 put option. We're sticking with the 15-minute chart because, again, we know that our AI picked it up before the market opened at its maximum 823% return. Maybe you didn't get into the trade until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and then maybe you hopped out over here at a little bit of a bad exit. Still a triple digit move. Get your information down here with TradeAlgo. Stop chasing it over here after it's already moved. One more quick example before we wrap things up. We could go through many, many more, but we don't have the time. Let's take a look at DXCM, popping up right there at the top of the main dashboard, trending down in our large cap space, nearly a 300% increase in bearish volume. Again, what our AI and algorithms are detecting are massive amounts of unusual trades and transactions coming into the private exchanges. So let's go to the alerts tab, trending downside of the equation, XCM pops up at 10:28 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is about an hour after the market opened with 2.4 times the average amount of bearish volume. Fast moving market, there are always opportunities throughout the day. Let's go to DXCM. You can see a nice list of triple digit winners. Let's say, for example, you had done the $115 put, and we're going to stick with the 15-minute chart on this one as well. We know our AI picked it up just shy of 10:30, but let's look at that 10:30 candle. Options are about $2.75 at its max. That is a 227% return. Congratulations to our many, many users who were sharing success stories with us today, saying things like, hey, thank you so much for that trade alert you sent directly to me on JPM. Got 155% on that one. Other users making over 100% on NVIDIA, making an over 300% return on the SPY. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.